Hello guys, welcome to my Web World Coders channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to design a HTML SVG preloader with HTML and CSS. Let's take a code editor that you're comfortable with. Here, I am using my favorite VS Code code editor. Now create an index.html file in your desired location. I am creating a new HTML document file here. Here is my new index.html document is created. Type HTML:5. Then hit tab or enter. VS Code will generate the basic HTML boilerplate for you. Let's set this document title to HTML Preloader Tutorial. Let's create a preloader element that wraps around our SVG element. Now, create an SVG element with a width of 300 pixels and height of 300 pixels. And set the view box to match the full width of the SVG element. Also, we should add the W3C namespace linked to the SVG element for clean and proper rendering. Let's create a CSS file to apply some styles to the document, and I'm naming it as style.css. Here I'm resetting the default CSS property values like margin, padding, and box sizing for all the HTML elements property values set by the browser. And also I'm applying some styles to the preloader class, which is parent element of our SVG element. This CSS will set the preloader element fit to the browser width and center the SVG element we have written inside of this element. Let's set a border to the preloader element for clear understanding. I'm also setting border for SVG element. And also the preloader background color. In the index.html, I am adding style.css file to the document, then we are ready to go. Our SVG drawing space is ready with 300 by 300 pixels dimensions. First, let's draw a circle shape. Set the first coordinate of circle to 150 pixels on the x-axis and 150 pixels on the y-axis relatively on the SVG space. Set the radius of the circle to 100 pixels width. And filling the circle shape with black color and stroke of the circle is transparent. Now we have the circle with 200 pixels width. Let's draw an arc with the help of path element and set the draw attribute values here. With move command, I am moving to 50 pixels on x-axis and 150 pixels on y-axis. Drawing an arc to 150 pixels far on x-axis and 150 pixels on y-axis. Again, draw an arc with the help of path element. I am drawing circles on both sides. Let's hide the border and rotate the shape with CSS animation.